Hey everybody, this is Soozie Stuff, and I'm Soozie. Welcome to another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, you're in for a treat because it's a twofer, a 60-second DIY plus a 60-second haul. And this goes perfectly with my SUMMALL series, Summer Easing into Fall. SUMMALL! So sit back and enjoy this bonus 60-second episode. Come on, let's get started. How about we start with the DIY first? I need a clock, please. There it is, 60 seconds. I'm starting out with a galvanized can from Dollar Tree, and it's got, what does it say, flowers and garden or something, and I just took some fingernail polish remover and it comes right off. I'm also using one of these sunflower stickers from Dollar Tree. I love it. I think it's such a great picture of a sunflower. Originally, I was going to use some Mod Podge, but I don't think it needs it. I think it looks perfectly without, so scrap that, not gonna use it. So whenever you need a bow and you just can't think what to do, always have raffia on hand. Raffia? Anyway, I think it is a perfect touch to ease into fall. I think it has a summer touch, plus it always has that fall touch. So we're just about finished. I have 8 seconds. Now we need a little bit of greenery, put right into the can, and we're done. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And here it is. One thing I forgot to do is I forgot to show you how I hot glued this Dollar Tree candle stand on the bottom of it. You can either put it on there or leave it off. I think either way is great, but what do you think? I love it. And now let's go shopping. Start the clock. So I found these really cool little frames from Dollar Tree. They have the words already on there. Oh, so many ideas are coming up. Now, my Dollar Trees have already started to get their floral in, but they don't have any pumpkins or anything like that. Those yellow flowers I've never seen before, so they were really cool for fall. Now, check out these burlap fabric roses. Oh, I love them. I think I may need some more, but they are going to be great for a cool DIY. These are some new stickers that I found that will be great. And then the calendars. Now, these calendars are not really the farmhouse ones that everybody's looking for, but they started out with these first. And I think these have some great pictures, great quotes. And I mean, look at that one. Look at the pumpkin one there. Woo! And I love these to just have on hand for a quick gift. Look at those beautiful pictures. Oh, we're going to have fun with that. So time's up. I am so glad you could join me for my double episode of a 60-second DIY and a 60-second haul. Every Tuesday, I bring you a 60-second DIY, and I'm so glad you joined me today. So stay tuned for Saturday. That's my full episode day of some wonderful DIYs, and the theme again this Saturday will be SUMMALL, Summer Easing into Fall. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.